mhlambe singeza ngathi siyidaring mase simila. But when we sikuma secret closets ethu, kwesikhathi siqede singashongo lutho, sibhala ngenyembezi. Sibubula. Abantu bafa every day. Abantu bayagula. Abantu abasebenzi balahlekelwe umsebenzi. Mhlambe thina njengabafundisi you get left, right and center. I've tested positive. Ngiyasaba. You are awake uvuswe ebusuku. Uyabona ukuthi you know what? Ziningi izinto ezimbi ezenzakalayo. And we are at the place la khona uNkulunkulu sisike sambuza umbuzo. Sathi why are we in so much heaviness? Why are we being tempted like this? This is the answer. That the trial of your faith, being much more precious than of gold that perisheth, though it be tried with fire, it needs to be found unto the praise and honor and glory in the appearing of Jesus Christ. We are in a season of being refined. Ukholwa kwethu kufaniswa negolide, and this is a season la khona kubaswe khona umlilo, because this faith, it needs to save the world. This faith, it needs to rescue families. It needs to rescue imshado. This faith, it needs to rescue indaba yakho ukuthi awusebenzi. It needs to rescue ukuthi ulahlekelwe umsebenzi. It needs this faith. uNkulunkulu ubona isidingo esikhulu ukuthi ayirefine manje before kulahleka izinto eziningi. Can we just enjoy bazalwane lento esidlula kuyona njengamanje and not curse our God? Because see, understand ukuthi we are being refined. Singawubekezelela yini lo mlilo nje for isikhashana. For isikhashana, it's for a while bazalwane. The Bible tells us ukuthi it is for a while. Can we enjoy and say, Father, you have never been in such a pain. Baba, I don't want to lose that lesson. May I feel each and every bit. Ngifuna ukuhlupheka masekuhambile ngaphinde kuye. Ungangikhiphi ngisho ngakhala kangakanani, ngisho bangidabukele kangakanani, ngoba ngifuna masengidlule kule ndawo ngingaphinde ngibe lana. Awazini wena ukuthi ingane mayikhala ibhodlela kusenziwe inikezwe idamu. Akazi kodwa ukuthi sekudlulile ukulamba, ithuliswe. Kwesinye isikhathi sikhala kakhulu, uNkulunkulu asinikeza idamu nokusho angifuni idamu, ngifuna the real faith. Ngifuna the substance of things hoped for. Ngifuna the evidence of things that are not seen. I want the real faith. I want the real faith. I want the substance that comes with the suffering of Christ. Woo. Woo. Woo.